Hi, welcome to 5 Minute Friday. So today on the first 5 Minute Friday, we're going to be talking about something that you use every single day to enter and leave your garage multiple times a day, and that is a garage door opener. So this specific garage door opener, I really like, and I think it's worthwhile to purchase it over literally any other garage door opener that I've ever spent time with. So first off, what is it? That is the Genie 6172H. And this is what they call a Jackshaft garage door opener. So you'll notice that in a traditional garage, you would have an opener that is over the top of your car on a center track. This traditional Marantec garage door opener is an example of that. You might have a LiftMaster, Craftsman, some other brand, but it is a centrally mounted garage door opener that lifts the garage door using a cable that runs through this channel and pulls on this metal mount that's at the top of the door. A Jackshaft opener works by twisting the top shaft that is above your garage door and using the pulleys and cables that are already in place to lift your door up and to drop it back down. And what that means is the center of your garage is completely empty. So as you can see, I have no central rail and I have no lift bar. That can be really useful when you're working on larger vehicles like an SUV and you want to lift that vehicle up and be able to do things like change the tires with a set of quick jacks or with some sort of scissor lift or other type of lift in your garage. I believe the best place to currently buy this is Amazon. It's $500. It comes with a remote like this that would go inside your car. It also comes with a wall control that is wireless. So the wireless wall control takes 2 AAA batteries. I've had mine installed for almost a year and it is still on the original batteries. So what do I like most about it? Well, my number one favorite feature is that there isn't a center track in my garage. So I can lift a car without worrying about the garage door opener being in the center of my ceiling. Number 2, this has a battery backup. There's actually a small battery in the bottom of this unit that charges up. And if you don't have power, you can still open and close your garage door. That's really important for my house. We keep every other door locked. Everybody enters and leaves through the garage. So when the power is out, especially when I'm not home, that leaves my wife here trying to open up the door to get her car out. And honestly, it's a really heavy wooden door. Even with the spring, it's still a lot for one person to lift. And then once you leave, you don't have a way to secure your garage. You have to drop the door back down, you have to manually lock it into place, and then you have to walk out some other exit of the house. So I love the fact that it has a battery backup and it will open and close the door at least 8 times with no power whatsoever without an issue. The battery is a small 12-volt battery, inexpensive to replace, so it's easy to maintain. My third favorite feature is the app. This door opener has Wi-Fi built in it. Once it connects to Wi-Fi, there is an app. The app is called Aladdin Connect. It's a Genie, Aladdin. It's kind of funny. And you'll see that it shows right there the door opener. When I press the button, hold the open door, it will open my garage door. One thing that you may notice is that the opening and closing of the door is incredibly quiet. The door creaking is far louder than the motor or the mechanism that's actually lifting the door. So you can see now my door is fully opened. If I wanted to close my door, I can do it again from the app. And we can see the door closing behind us. On the opener, it tells me that the close was accepted. It will also give me a notification to let me know that the door was closed or that the door was opened, and there is a history, which can be useful, especially if you have kids and you're kind of trying to keep track of when they're coming and going. It will show you when somebody came home or didn't come home. So you can see my history there and we can scroll through it. The unit works very well. It was very easy to install. I did a full video on the installation, which I will link to down below in the description, but I did it myself. My first one ever. It took me about 2 hours to do it. And it was really straightforward, very easy to do. One accessory that I definitely recommend for it, they have a wireless outdoor control panel that you can mount outside your door. It uses a 4-digit PIN code to open and close your garage door. We have one of those as well. That's about $35, and I'll put a link to that in the description also. So thank you for watching 5 Minute Friday. I'm hoping that you're having a great day, and we'll see you next week.